Today I'm at the Jade Palace Chinese Restaurant. Back to enjoy some more fantastic food. So get a chance to talk to some of the customers who also enjoy eating here. Oh, good. So you saw me on the YouTube there?
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yeah.
You like it?
How are you doing? This is so great.
You like this restaurant?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
How about you? You try?
I've been here a few times. Yeah.
So you like it too, right?
Yeah, good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you. So this is a traditional Chinese soup. So it's lots of bones with meat in it. It's got carrots. It's got these Chinese veggies. This soup is called Wa Wong Toi. So I have to figure out what it's called in English. In Chinese, this veggie is called Wa Wong Toi. Ooh, that's a rich Chinese broth. So a real traditional soup. So it's really nice to start off a meal with soup. Sometimes they charge for the soup, but this is included with the meal on the set menu. You have a choice of dishes, so whatever you pick, and then you get the soup and dessert with it as well. Ooh, that's nice soup. Pick up some of my mom's recipes for Chinese soup. The steamed chicken is included with the meal. When you have 2 orders, you get the soup, you get the free chicken. So you also get the fancy sugar. So it looks like art. So they've been doing this just lately to make the dish look really fancy now. That sugar is actually for decoration, but I eat it just like candy. It's actually sugar, but it's a nice fancy touch to this restaurant. This is the pork chop with the supreme soy sauce. Look at that, look at that, wow. So they have the extra touch here. So on each plate they have the sugar, which makes it nice and shiny. So there's a good contrast between that and the supreme soy sauce pork chops. So this is the pork chop with the supreme sauce. That's the soy sauce. So pork chop has been lightly deep fried, stir fried with best soy sauce. You gotta try this. Fried tofu with the enoki mushroom served with a bed of broccoli. So last time I was here, it was a very popular dish. I didn't get a chance to eat very much of it, so I ordered again today. That's a deep fried bean curd, which is tofu. Been deep fried, and then they make a nice sauce with the enoki mushrooms, nice savory sauce, so served over broccoli. That's really crispy. A sauce with the enoki mushroom. You gotta try this. So I had this dish in different places, even in China. So they deep fry the tofu. So tofu is the skin that they pick off from boiling beans. So then they dry it, and then they soak in water, deep fry it, and then they stir fry the enoki mushrooms with carrots, served on a bed of broccoli. So you have some nice broccoli at the bottom here. Oh, look at this broccoli. You gotta have some veggies. So when you order this dish, it's a real good vegetarian dish.
Ai cầu.
Ni gọi là hổ heo hả? Xem chú hổ heo hả? Xem chú hổ heo, mình kêu, or you give me your order. Like I said, this is such a good order. Last time I didn't get a chance to eat very much of it, so we reordered it again.
How do you like the food here?
Food is excellent.
Yeah. Do you want to be on camera here?
On what?
On the camera here. You can say something here.
The food here is excellent.
Fantastic. Have you eaten here, like when it used to be Dragon Inn?
We just got to town. We came from Arizona.
Oh, you're from Arizona?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just passing through,
Oh, okay.
sightseeing.
Oh, fantastic.
Told my wife, let's go. It's too hot in Phoenix.
Oh, is it?
119
Oh,
in
yeah,
Phoenix.
yeah. Phoenix, yeah, for sure.
So we're just headed north, gonna drive to Alaska.
Oh, on the way to Alaska.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Have a good trip. Have a safe trip.
Is this your younger sister? Have a good meal.
Thanks. Take care.
That's fantastic. So good. Thank you for the recommendation.
Oh,
Would have never
fantastic.
known.
Fantastic.
We live close by
I
too.
live close by.
Yeah,
It's a
it used to
good
be something
restaurant.
else. It used to be a different
I
restaurant.
used to be Dragon Inn.
Yeah.
So,
So that's the last time we've been here. So it's the
Yeah, I
first
used to
time.
go
in
to
your
university. It's Dragon Inn. I forgot about Dragon Inn. So it's good to see you.
restaurant. Fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
Yeah, race against herself.